Today I'm glad to introduce our wholesale series to you. Today I want to introduce two our wholesale series to you. One is kitchen rack and another is garment rack series. These two series is wholesales in different markets such as US and EU market and Asian markets. And for these items, they are all stock items. If you are interested in that, you can contact us to get more details. Now I will introduce the first one to you. The first one is the 2 layers mini rack. For this one, the item number is WS121212. And for this item, the size is 20 by 20 centimeters, and the height is also 30 centimeters. Now I will show you how to install these items. For this item, it has the Y shape is like this. It's the square Y shape, and the post we will put inside the Y shape. So the packing size is very small. So it is good for your online business and offline business. And for this item, the post size is 14, and the material is carbon steel. And the finish is chromed. You can see this finish. And for this is the part. This is the leveling feet. We will install the leveling feet on the bottom of the 4th post. And this is the practice clips. We will use the practice clips to install the Y shape, so you don't need any other tools to install the Y shape. So for this item, the loading capacity of this item is 30 kilos per share. Now we will show you to install the Y shape. Yes. Now we will install the leveling feet on the buttons of the post. It's like this. And the leveling feet you can adjust like this. So we can show you this one. And by the way, I will show you the second ones in the same time. And this is the second one. This item is CJC1040. And for this item, the size is 40 by 20 centimeters, and the height is also 45 centimeters. And for this item, is also same with the first one. The post size is 14, and the finish is chromed. And the loading capacity of this one is also 30 kilos per share. And for this item, the packing size is very small. The packing size is 41 by 21, and the height is 9 centimeters. So the packing is very small. So it is easy to. And this one is also is KT packing, so it is good for online business or offline business. And for this item, you also can put in the home kitchen. Also, you can put other place if like such as the bedroom, living room, or other place what you like. So I saw the first item, and this is the first item when you finish the install. It's like this. You can see this is the corn finish. It's very nice. So, and the second one is also, this item is also the same post size. You can see it. Yes. So, and the next one And this is the next one. For this one, you can see it is also 3 layers. For this item, the item number is CJ 502572C3C. For this item, the size is this item is 50 by 25 centimeters, and the height is 72. For this item, the post size is also 14. But this finish is different with the second one. This one, the finish is powder coating, and the color is black. For this item is with the wheels. For this wheel, you can see, and this is the narrow wheel. The size is 1 inch. You can see. For this item, the loading capacity is also 30 kilos per share. It's same with the second one. But for this item, it's different. The finish is powder coating. It's different with the second one. For the powder coating items, you can see there's powder coating. Yes. And for the powder coating products, it is good for the dry and wet environment. For this item, you can put in the kitchen, for your home kitchen, or also you can put in other place, like living room or bedroom or bathroom. This is okay. You can see, and the wheels is easy to move. For the wheels, it had 2 pieces with rocker and 2 without rock. You can see it's move easy, like this. It's easy to move. You can see. Oh. So, and I will show you the next one. And the next one is our the wholesale items 3 layers kitchen rack. For this item is very special because for the material is the carbon steel, and this material is MDF. For this two piece is the Y shape. The material is carbon steel, and this one is the MDF board on the top. So it's very special. And this item's number is TR55358B3EW. And for this item, the size is 60 by, and the size is 55 and by 35, and the height is 85. For this one, is with the wheels. For this one, it's also the narrow wheel, but the wheel is 1.5 inch. It is easy to move. And when, this item, when you put in your home kitchen, when you clean your kitchen, it's easy to move this rack. You like this? And this item is KD packing, and the carton size is also small. And this item is also hot sales in many markets. You can see. And for this item, the loading capacity is also 30 kilos per share. Now we will show you the loading test for you. Wait a moment. Now, it's the loading rate is total. So you can see this one. This is also okay. So you can see the loading is okay, and it's very nice, and the washer is not bent. You can see this. This is also okay. And this one, the post size is different with the before. For this one, the post size is 19. It's bigger than the other items. And this item, the finish is powder coating, and the color is black. And for this one, it has the side hole here. So you can put the small things hanger this way. So it is very good in home kitchens. And this item is also hot sold in many markets like US and Asian market. So if you are interested in these items, you can contact us to get more details. So I will show the next one. And for this one, is the 3 layers corner rack. For this, the item's number is CJB1019R for this item. And for this rack, the size is 35 by 35, and the height is 80 centimeters. And for this one, the post size is also 19, and the material is carbon steel. And the finish is powder coating in black. You can see this is the black. For this item, you can put on the corner. It's very nice here. It's also nice. So for these items, the packing size is very small. For the packing size for this one, the carton size is 36 by 36, and the height is 12. This is okay for this one. If you like this one, you can tell us. So I will show you the next one. So this is the next one. Is the our kitchen's microwave oven wire rack. For this item, the item number is CJB1003RE. For this item, the post size is also 14, and the the finish is also powder coating, but it's different with this one. There's different. The colors is different. For this item, the colors is black, but for this one, the color is silvery. The colors is different, but the surface finish is same. They are also powder coating, but the colors is different. And for this item, it is also with the wheels. The wheels is the nylon wheel. Is 1.5 inch. You can see. For this one, is usually put in our home kitchen. It's very nice. You can see. Yes. So, and this item also have the one-piece storage here. It's very stable, and the loading weight of this one is 30 kilos per share.
Our broadcasting has 100 people visiting coming.
Okay. So, and the next one. And the next one is our another wholesale series, is the garment rack. For this garment rack, I want to show you these two items. You can compare these two items. For these two items, the size is very similar. And for this item, the item number, the black one, the item number is GR904193B2EW2. For this one, the size is 90 by 45 centimeters, and the height is 193. But for this item with the wheels, but the wheels is 2-inch PP wheel. The material is different with narrow wheel. The quality of PP wheel is good, better than narrow. And for this one, the size is very similar. The size for this one, the size also is 90 by 45, and the height is 180. And these two items, the views also are 2-inch PP view. But their difference is the pole style. You can see the pole style is 19, but this one, the pole style is 25. And they are different finish. For this one is powder coating in black, and this one is chromed. For this one are the hot sales items. And for the camera is here. It had the single hanger here. You can put the clothes or handbags here. You can use when you like this or like this. You can adjust this one. You can hang the handbag here or other things here. So for this one, for the black one, the loading capacity of this one is 30 kilos per share. And the corn one, this one is the pole size 25, and the loading capacity is 50 kilos per share. There's more stronger. You can see this one. And these two items, they also have two pieces hangers here. You can put the clothes here. So, next one. So the next one is our bigger garment rack. For this one is the bigger garment rack. For this item is CJ.1167. For this item, the size is 120 by 45 centimeters, and the height is 180 centimeters. For this one is with 11 feet. For the pole style is 19. And the loading capacity of this one is 30 kilos per share. This also powder coating in black for this one. And this one, if you want to choose the cover, we also have the cover for your thighs. For this item, is also hot sales in our Asian market because it is very good for their house. So this is our garment rack series and kitchen rack. These items. If you are interested in these items, you can tell us. We can send you the more details and the price soon. So, and the next series is our coach will show you.